What is a smart vacuum cleaner? Think, a vacuum with a mind of its own. With iLoop sensor, suction power is adjusted automatically according to real-time dust amount. Intelligently detects hidden dust. Automatically adapts suction power. Dynamic suction optimization for smarter cleans. Efficient battery management. Attain longer runtime. Smart noise control. Create quieter experience. Powered rinse-free filter cleaning tool. Ensure persistent suction. Remote app control. Monitor cleaning performance. Pure One. See the smart difference.
TENIKO. Live easy, enjoy life.